Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
New research shows that glass frogs, known for their highly transparent undersides and muscles, perform their disappearing acts by stowing away nearly all of their red blood cells into their uniquely reflective livers. The study, led by scientists at the American Museum of Natural History and Duke University, is being published Friday in the journal Science. The work could lead to new avenues of research tied to blood clots, which the frogs somehow avoid while packing and unpacking about 90% of their red blood cells into their livers on a daily basis. There are more than 150 species of known glass frogs in the world, and yet we're really just starting to learn about some of the really incredible ways they interact with their environment, said co-lead author Jesse Delia, a Gerstner postdoctoral fellow in the museum's Department of Herpetology. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.